Hello everyone, this is 10KBM and we are your friends. We're glad you're having a nice day. Today we're going to be talking about the fifth business you should go into in 2020. The fifth business you should go into in 2020. And the fifth business is food business. Food business. Food. Yes, we all want to eat. We all want to live daily, we all want to be at our best daily, so we always need to eat. We always want to eat, we always have the desire to eat, and we will always eat food. But the truth is, 90%, 80% of people who work today don't have the time to make their own food. They don't have the time to make breakfast, they don't have the time to make dinner, they don't have the time to make lunch. So how do they eat? They get to buy this food, and most times they want quality and good food. So this is where you come in. If you go into food business, you get to serve this need. So there's always a ready market for food. There's always a ready market. There's always people wanting to eat. Like today, I already bought food. Yesterday I also did the same, because I go to work in the morning so early that it will be difficult for me to start preparing food that time, because I need to get to the office early. There are so many people like that. The bankers, they're always like that. So how do they eat if not you giving them food? And they are willing to pay for that food right now. They are willing to pay no matter the amount you are giving them because of the quality, because of the way you serve it, because of the convenience, because of the time it saves them. So they are willing to always pay for it. So that's the truth. Food. Whether there's food at home, there's no food at home, people will always buy food out. During the festive season, even if you have everything at home, you have rice, you have all that, you still go out to get rice. It's funny, but it's true, because everybody will always end up buying food one way or the other. Even if they have that particular food at home, they will always enjoy the one they buy out more. So that's just the truth. You need to go into food business in 2020 and see what will happen to your finance. Your finance will go from 0 to 100. 0 to 100. And the truth is, it requires very low capital to start. You can start as low as you want to. You can start with just selling bread, selling burgers, selling spaghetti, selling rice, you can start anywhere, but you just need to start. Get into food business and you'll be glad you did. This is 10KBM and we are your friends. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Do have a nice day.